Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. X plus y is equal to 3, xy is equal to 36. Solution. X plus y is equal to 3. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 36. Let us call this equation 2. Here, from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 36. Let us substitute for y here, which is 3 minus s bracket 3 minus s bracket is equal to 36. S multiplied by 3, 3x minus s multiplied by x square is equal to 36 minus s square plus 3x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by -1. Negative s square, which is this divided by -1, we have s square plus 3x divided by -1, that is minus 3x minus 36 divided by -1, this is plus 36, is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to -3, c is equal to 36. X is equal to negative bracket -3 bracket plus or minus square root of -3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 36 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to negative times -3. This is 3 plus or minus square root of -3 square, 9 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 36. That is 144 over 2. And this is the same thing as 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 144. That is minus 135 over 2. S is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of minus 135 can be written as square root of 9 multiplied by 15 multiplied by -1 over 2. S is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3, square root of -1 is I, multiplied by square root of 15 over 2. From here, x1 is equal to 3 plus 3i square root of 15 over 2. Then s2 is equal to 3 minus 3i square root of 15 over 2. We've gotten the value of s1 and s2. Let us solve for y1 and y2. From equation 3, y is equal to 3 minus x. y1 is equal to 3 minus s1. Then y2 is equal to 3 minus s2. Here, y1 is equal to 3 minus s1 is 3 plus 3I square root of 15 bracket over 2. Then this is over 1 into 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. Y1 is equal to 6 minus, if you open the bracket with negative here, we have 3 minus 3I root 15 over 2. Y1 is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3 minus 3I root 15 over 2. This is the value of y1. Then y2 is 3 minus s2 is 3 minus 3I root 15 over 2. Y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3I root 15 over 2. Y2 is equal to 3 plus 3I root 15 over 2. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 3 plus 3I root 15 over 2, 3 minus 3I root 15 over 2. Then s2, y2 is equal to 3 minus 3I root 15 over 2, 3 plus 3I root 15 over 2. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 3, sy is equal to 36. Now let us consider this using s1, y1. We may also use s2, y2. S plus y, this is 3 plus 3I root 15 over 2 plus 3 minus 3I root 15 over 2 must be equal to 3. Here we have 3 plus 3I root 15 plus 3 minus 3I root 15. The LCM here is 2 over 2 must be equal to 3. This cancel this. 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 over 2 must be equal to 3. Therefore, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. We have the left hand side 3 is equal to the right hand side 3, which is true. Now let us consider this. Sy is equal to 3 plus 3I root 15 over 2 bracket 3 minus 3I root 15 over 2 must be equal to 36. Here, 3 times 3, 9, minus 3 times 3I root 15, that is 27I root 15 Here is 3i root 15 multiplied by 3. That is plus 27i root 15. Then 3i root 15 multiplied by minus 3i root 15. This is minus 3 times 3. We have 9 multiplied by I times I square multiplied by root 15 times root 15. This is root 15 square must be equal to 36. Then this cancel this. We have 9 minus 9 multiplied by I square is equal to minus 1. Multiplied by this, cancel this. That is 15. Must be equal to 36. Now remember here we have 2 times 2, 4. So everything will be here is over 4. And this is also over 4. This is 9 minus bracket 9 times minus 1. This is minus 9 times 15. That is minus 135 over 4 must be equal to 36. Then here we have 9 minus times minus, that is plus 135 over 4 must be equal to 36. And this is 9 plus 135, that is 144 over 4 must be equal to 36. 4 here 1, 4 here 36. Therefore, the left hand side 36 is equal to the right hand side 36, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.